Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so we are going to play name by number. Right? Look at the board. Find the number and name the card. Okay, what is number 3? The world. What's number 6? Floaties. What's number 8? Farm. What's number 4? Man. Very good. What is number 10? They are trees. Yes. What's number 14? Cow. What is number 13? Ice cream cones. Very good. What's number 7? Yes, very good. And what's number 12? Blow bubbles. Very good. Well done, guys. Okay, what is number 8? Yes, good job. What's number 6? Bing bong. What's number 1? What is number 10? Yes. What is number 15? House. What is number 9? Floaties. Yes. What's number 14? Lake. Very good, Angel. What's number 11? Farm. What is number 3? Wind. Okay, good. Okay, so let's play name by number. 3, 2, 1. What is number 9? Number 9. Swimming pool. Good job. What is number 2? Floaty. What is number 3? Yes. What is number 10? Good job. What is number 15? Hop. Yes. What's number 13? Man. Wow. Good job, Max. And last one. What's number 3? Good job. High five. High five. Well done. High five. High five. Say hello. Good morning. Good job. So this is the game. Name by number.